Looking for the perfect color to decorate your cupcakes? Wanting an easy way to dress up your frosting? How to make navy blue icing? Luckily, it is easy to achieve the perfect shade of navy blue for your frosting. This article will tell you everything you need to know about how to make navy blue buttercream. Navy blue is a beautiful color that is great for any event. Whether a wedding, baby shower, graduation, or birthday party, this navy blue buttercream is the perfect frosting for your cakes and cupcakes. It is a stunning and vibrant color that is perfect for any occasion. Where navy blue gets its name from. Navy blue got its origin from the color of the Royal Navy's uniform in the 18th century. The navy blue color the Navy used for their uniforms comes from the indigo plant, which is native to India. After Britain colonized India, they readily used indigo to dye their clothes. Today, navy blue is still commonly used for authority figures. Police officers and members of the military often wear this sharp-looking color. Navy blue is also a popular color for formal events and is commonly used in color schemes at weddings. How to make navy blue icing. What you will need. Ingredients. If you make your own buttercream, you will need 3 cups powdered sugar, or a powdered sugar substitute. 1/3 cup butter, softened. 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla. 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. Navy blue food coloring can be found in most grocery stores and online. 1 bottle should last you a while, as food coloring often has a long shelf life. There are many different types of food coloring such as liquid gel, powder, gel paste, and traditional. Liquid gel is generally the best food coloring for frosting since it is more concentrated, so you need less, and it is less likely to affect the taste of the food. However, any type of food coloring will work. How to make navy blue icing. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Mix powdered sugar and butter. In a large bowl, mix the powdered sugar and butter with an electric mixer on low speed until fully combined. You may also use a wooden spoon if you do not have an electric mixer. Step 2. Add vanilla and milk. Add the vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk to the mixture. Mix until fully combined. Step 3. Add in remaining milk. Gradually beat in the remaining tablespoon of milk until the frosting has reached a smooth and spreadable consistency. If the frosting is too thick, you may add a few drops of milk at a time until it reaches a creamy consistency. If the frosting is too runny, you may add a small amount of powdered sugar until it thickens up. Step 4. Add the food coloring. Once the frosting is fully mixed, add the food coloring. It will take approximately 60 to 70 drops of navy blue food coloring for 4 cups of frosting to reach the desired shade. Thoroughly mix the food coloring in the frosting until it is fully mixed. You may use an electric mixer, wooden spoon, or spatula to mix the food coloring into the frosting. You may add more food coloring if it does not come out of your desired shade. If you are using store-bought frosting, use a spatula to scrape the frosting into a bowl. From there, you can add food coloring to the frosting and thoroughly mix together. If you do not have navy blue food coloring, you may use violet, royal blue, and black. For every half cup of frosting, add 3 drops royal blue, 3 drops violet, and 1 small drop black. This will allow you to achieve a navy blue color in your buttercream frosting. This navy blue buttercream looks stunning on cupcakes and makes a great color for any event. Tips and tricks. The blue color may cause staining if it gets on clothing, so make sure to treat the stain right away. The navy blue coloring may also temporarily stain your teeth, tongue, and lips, so be careful when you eat it. It may seem like 70 drops of food coloring is a lot of food coloring for 4 cups of frosting. It will likely be just the right amount to achieve the perfect navy blue color. To put in perspective, 100 drops of food coloring is equal to only about 1 teaspoon worth. This frosting can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. It can be stored in the fridge for up to a week and the freezer for up to 6 months. After being stored, the frosting may and food coloring may separate, so it will likely need to be remixed. It is possible that the color will change over time, so you may need to adjust accordingly. After storing the frosting in the fridge or freezer, Allow it to reach room temperature before serving. If your frosting turns out too dark for your liking, you may add white food coloring to lighten it up. If you don't have any white food coloring, you may add some more uncolored frosting into it. However, it is easier to add less to food coloring to the frosting and gradually add more until you reach your desired shade. Navy blue food coloring also works with cakes, cookies, and most doughs. It creates a vibrant blue color that turns out beautiful when finished. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.